Avid Exchange Payment Automation Honest Review Watch before using. Avid Exchange Payment Automation Honest Review Watch before using. Most businesses still handle invoices and payments manually, and here's why that's a problem. It wastes time, creates errors, and slows cash flow. The surprising truth is that automation can save companies thousands of hours annually. Avid Exchange is a cloud-based accounts payable and payment automation platform. It helps businesses manage invoices, approvals, and payments without relying on manual processes. From receiving an invoice to paying a vendor, every step is digitized and trackable. The platform integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Sage, which means data entry errors are reduced and financial records stay accurate. Avid Exchange also provides digital approvals, real-time reporting, and secure payment options, including virtual cards, touch, and checks. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate the impact on financial efficiency. Companies that implement Avid Exchange often experience faster invoice processing, fewer errors, and better control over cash flow. It's best suited for mid-sized to large businesses with frequent vendor payments. Small companies may find it overkill unless they scale quickly. The surprising truth is that automating payments doesn't just save time, it also strengthens vendor relationships and improves overall financial visibility. If you want smoother, faster, and safer payment processes, Avid Exchange is a solution worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more finance and business software reviews.